Hey, what's up food lovers? On today's video, it's back to the basics because I'm going to show you how to make one of the most important things in Sri Lankan cooking. Because without this, you will not have chicken curry, you will not have pork curry, you will not have beef curry, hell, you will not have polos curry. It's a Sri Lankan dark roasted curry powder. Let's do this. Sri Lankan dark roasted curry powder, or kalupahe in Sinhala. We use this to cook meat curries and some vegetable curries. It's so beautiful and pungent because of these fresh and dried herbs and spices, dry roasted until really dark and turned into an almost chocolatey looking powder. Alright, let's start things off with coriander seeds, 1 cup of it, which I've accidentally put some grated coconut in it. Don't worry about it because everything gets roasted the same way and blended together. So that's fine. Just dry roast this until dark brown, not black, dark brown, in high heat. Do not step away from the stove because this can get really burned really fast. And just place this aside. Next up is 1/4 cup of fennel seeds, which I've accidentally put on the table because clearly everything is going wrong in this video. Get it together, Ashan, because this is not going to be fun anymore. Moving on, just dry roast the fennel seeds until they're dark brown and leave it aside. Okay, so third in line is 1/2 cup of cumin seeds. Cumin seeds are like fennel seeds but smaller. Just toast them until they're dark brown and smoking hot like this. Okay guys, it's time for some Fenugreek seeds, 1 tablespoon of it. If you cannot find the Fenugreek seeds in your local grocery store, just head to an Indian store, you'll find it. I'm using 1 cup of red rice soaked in water for like 1 hour. If you don't have red rice, you can use brown rice or even white rice. No issue there. And then toast the rice until dark brown. I'm also using 1 cup of grated coconut. Coconut is so good, right? Toast the coconut until dark brown. This coconut and rice concoction is also the base for kalupol pork curry. It's time for some greenery with these cut up little pieces of pandan and also some curry leaf stalks. I'm going to add the whole bunch together and just toast it until they're also dark brown. They turn black really fast, so just keep an eye on it. Also using 3 to 4 pieces of whole red chilies, which I've cut up and also wasn't ready for. I'm going to roast 2 sticks of Ceylon cinnamon and also 2 pieces of star anise, which are not very traditional, and also 3 to 4 pieces of cloves and another 3 to 4 pieces of cardamom pods. Roast everything together. Star anise are not very traditional, as I said, but my grandmother uses it and I think it adds a really nice licorice flavor. Okay, finally done with the roasting of everything. Look at these beautiful dark brown shades, and it smells really good at this point. Okay, so combine everything in 1 pan, adding 1 tablespoon of black mustard seeds and 1/2 a nutmeg grated. That's gonna add some really nice flavors and aromas right now. And then heat everything up, mix it well, and we are finally going to blend everything together. And guys, this is where all the magic happens. Just blend everything to a fine powder and you are good to go. It's a bit labor intensive, but it's all worth it at the end. You will never buy curry powder from the store ever again to make that chicken curry. Well, there you go guys, look at this. This is the real deal. This is the Sri Lankan dark roasted curry powder. Smells so good. Yeah, I'm so happy. It smells exactly like my grandmother's curry powder. So I think I did something right. I hope you guys will make this, because next week I'm going to make something special using this. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching.